Hi, I'm Naomi Shihab Nye. Random trash thoughts. You don't find much that's pink. Blocks around elementary schools are surprisingly free of litter. Good custodians? Kids are better than grown-ups? Outside Bonham Elementary, one small white scrap with "party games" handwritten on it. Trash treasure hunt might qualify. You don't find many toys. And what of the mind, the drifting little thoughts that never find a place to land? Once, at Kailua Beach on Oahu, half buried in soft sand, we uncovered a perfect yellow bucket and shovel that stayed with us 10 years. Walk the other side of street, find different style trash. Sushi boxes, green Blistex tube. I read a poem from my recent book called Castaway, Poems for Our Time. This is a book about trash. Picking up trash has been a hobby of mine since I was a kid, both on my own block, in my own neighborhood, and in other cities when I travel, of picking up trash. It's a wonderful hobby. You get some exercise, you pay attention, you observe, your mind gives you all kinds of things to think about. So I wrote a book about it. You know, there are some things in the world that belong to all of us equally. The moon, the sky, and I think trash is something we all need to pay attention to. I like to use trash whenever I can. In my own trash can at home, I found these white boards that my husband, who's a photographer, was throwing away. And I wrote on the backs of all of them. I really loved using this trash. It's not dirty trash, it's clean trash. Trash is a ticket to nowhere. It says, "I do not care about you. Poof. You can pick me up if you want to. The person who dropped me was more important than the person who picks me up." What? Make our smallest moves the right ones. On a San Antonio street called Dallas, the corner of Baltimore, all of us connected, like it or not. If we're alive, isn't it all ours? Bent wire, styrofoam, snaps. Here's the rim of a pizza box from the Mesozoic era. Trash says, disregard, disregard. So again, my book is called Castaway, Poems for Our Time. And think about your trash with interest. What do you throw away every day? Maybe you could even write a poem to your trash can.